how to download all tabs as a PDF in Google Docs. So if you want to download all tabs as a PDF in Google Docs, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Google document. Like I'll just simply go and open up my document at first and go and select the document. Now, if we download a Google Doc that has multiple tabs as a PDF, it only gives you the current tab when you open it. So to fix this, you need to go to your Google Drive at first. So go with a new tab and then go with the grid which is on the top and then go with Google Drive and find the Google document that you want to download. Like for example, I have this one. Right click on the file, select open with, and then here you will have preview, choose preview. Now in the top right corner of the preview window, you need to click on print icon. Click the print icon again in the print dialog that appears. Select the destination to save as a PDF, which will be right here. Go with drop down, select save as PDF. Under pages, you can choose all pages, or you can also customize your pages and then go with pages per sheet and select your preference. Remember, each tab also shows up as a page here. Enter the relevant page numbers, for example, 2 or 6, and click on save, and it will download only the selected pages. In this way, you'll be able to download all tabs as a PDF. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.